Okay, you can see here at the top where it's hitting over to the left, but if I lift the screen door from here, lift it up, it'll clear. See, right now it's hitting. Lift it up, and then it fits in. It's possible somebody, when they had it in the open position, possibly they hung on it or put extra weight on it. Main door has no problem. It opens and closes perfectly. It's the screen door that only has one hinge here. Has one hinge here in the middle, one hinge here, the top end, and then only one hinge here. All right, now that we have the holes, let's go ahead and put the bolts through the door. Okay, let's go ahead and get a screwdriver and tighten them up. Okay, I'm really excited to show you guys how my door repair turned out. I'm happy with it. Let's take a look. Okay, here are the bolts that go all the way through the screen door. Two at the top, two in the middle, and two on the bottom. Okay, so then we open our screen door. There's the button heads on the other side. On the other side, I used the button heads on the inside because of the door framing. It's pretty tight for space, so that's the only way you can go. Okay, here's the spacing between the frame and the screen door here. Before it was getting really tight and obviously hitting here. So now when we open it, there's room. It was getting very annoying having it hit the frame and making a loud banging noise every time it was opened and closed. So we'll use a Sharpie or some kind of touch-up marker to remove that wear mark. But overall, again, I'm very happy on how it turned out. It's the door's very sturdy. Kind of hard to show that on camera here, but you know, close it and it locks up nice and tight. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching my screen door repair video. That's it.